Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you, students? I hope all of you are fine. Today our topic is multiplication of the bigger numbers, and this is page number 26. Open your books, page number 26. There is 3-digit number multiplication. You have done already 2-digit multiplication. Now in this page, we will do the bigger number multiplication. Let's come to the question, copy and complete. There are 3 questions on this page. In question 1, A to E part are included. Same question 2, A to E part are included. And question 3, there are only 3 parts, A, B and C. The first part is 1231 multiplied by 540. We multiply 1231 with 3-digit number 540. And you know that we have always start the multiplication, the digit on the ones place, from right to left. I convert this question into 3 steps. First I multiply it with 0, then with 4, and then at the end we multiply it 5. 1231 multiply with 0, and you know the multiplication of 0 with any number, the answer become 0. When you multiply 0 with 1, 0, 0 with 3, 0, 0 with 2, 0, 0 with 1, again 0. Now come to the next digit 4. The first step will be same. We write the same 4 zeros over there, and the first 0 which lie on the one place, under that 0 we put there the multiplication sign. And now we start the multiplication with 4 which lies on the tens place. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. We write there 2 and we carry 1 over there. 4 twos are 8 and we plus the carry 1, 9, and 4 ones are 4. In this step we have complete our multiplication with 4. Again I am repeating, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. You write there 2 and carry 1. 4 twos are 8 and 1 9, and 4 ones are 4. In the next step we multiply 1231 with 5. And you see in the third step I put 2 multiplication sign over there, because now we are multiplying 5 which lies on the 100 place. So ones and tens place will be empty, and instead of it we write here 2 multiplication sign, or you can write here 2 zeros. Now we multiply 5 with 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. We write there 5 and carry 1. 5 twos are 10 and 1, and 5 ones are 5 and 1, 6. We have complete the multiplication of 3 digits, 5, 4 and 0. In first step we multiply 1231 with 0, then with 4, then with 5, and at the end we add the number 0, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 9 plus 5 is 14. We write 4 and carry 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6, and then 6. Our answer is 664740. 600,000, 64,740. Now come to the second part. This is part C. 3614 multiply with 353. Again we start multiplication from the ones place where 3 lies over there. We start the multiplication 3 with 4. 3 fours are 12. We write there 2 and carry 1. 3 ones are 3, and we have already carry 1 there. We write there 4. 3 6 are 18. 8 and 1 carry. 3 threes are 9 and 1 10. We have complete the multiplication of one place. Now come to the tens place. 5 lies on the tens place, and when we start the multiplication, under the first digit, under the 2 we put here the multiplication sign. 5 fours are 20, 0 and we carry 2. 5 ones are 5 and 2, 7. 5 6 are 30, we put there 0 and carry 3. 5 threes are 15, 15 plus 3, 18. We have complete the digit which lies on the tens place. Now the digit lies on the hundred place. Again there is 3, and you see that I put 2 multiplication sign there, or 2 cross sign there. Instead of these cross sign, you also can write 2 0. 3 fours are 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 3 ones are 3 and 1 4. 3 6 are 18. 3 threes are 9 and 1 10. The last step, what will we do? We add the numbers 2, 4. Now we have 3 digits 8, 7 and 2. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. We write there 7 and carry 1 over there. 4 plus 1, 5. Now the next, again we have 3 numbers 8, 8 and 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. We write here 7 and carry 1 over there. 1 and 1, 2. And the last digit is 1. Our answer is 1275742. Clear? Come to the next number. D part 7536, and we multiply it with 396. Again 3 digit number, and we start the multiplication from which number? 6. Good. Because 6 lies on the ones place. When you multiply 6 with 6, 6 6 are 36. We put there 6 and carry 3 on the next digit 3. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 3, 18, 19, 20 and 21. We write here 1 and carry 2 on 5. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 30 and 2, 32. We put there 2 and carry the 3 on 7. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. Now we have complete the ones place multiplication. Now come to the tens place. Again we put cross sign under the ones place, under the 6. 9 6 are 54. We write 4 there and carry 5 on 3. 9 threes are 27. 27 and 5. 27 and 5. 32. We write there 2 and we carry 3 on 5. 9 fives are 45, 45, 46, 47 and 48. We write 8 there and we carry 4 on 7. 9 sevens are 63, 63 and 4, 67. Now we have complete the multiplication on 100 place. Now come to the tens place. Now come to the 100 place. 3 is there. Now we multiply each digit with 3. 3 6 are 18. We carry 1 on 3. 3 threes are 9 and 1 10. 3 fives are 15 and 1 16. 3 sevens are 21 and 1 22. Now is a turn of the answer. We add these numbers. 6, 4 plus 1 is 5. The 100 place there are how many numbers? 3 numbers are there. 8 plus 2 plus 2. 8 and 2, 10. 10 and 2, 12. We write here 2 and carry 1. 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 8, 14. 4 and we carry 1 there. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Good. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. We write here 8 and we carry 1 there. 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9 and 2 is left there. Is it clear? Our answer is 2984256. Two parts are left to you. You will complete this question by yourself. Now come to the question 2. Question is write vertically and complete. The question is same of the multiplication. First we write them in vertically and then we multiply it. 3, 8, 4, 7 with 431. Again we start from the ones place. 1 is lie on the ones place and we start the multiplication for 1. 1 sevens are 7, 1 fours are 4, 1 eights are 8, and 1 threes are 3. Now the turn of 3. 3 sevens are 21. We write here 1 under the 4 because the tens place will be empty, and we put there the cross sign. Then 3 fours are 12. We already carry 2 there. 12, 13, 14. We put here 4 and carry 1 on 8. 3 eights are 24 and 1 25. We write there 5 and we carry 2 over there. 3 threes are 9 and 2 11. Now the second is completed. The tens place multiplication completed. But now we come to the 100 place. The 4 is on 100 place. We start multiplication there, but first two places, ones and tens will be empty, and we start from the 100th place. 4 sevens are 28. We write here 8 and we carry 2 on 4. 4 fours are 16. 17, 18. We put here 8 and we carry 1 on 8. 4 eights are 32 and 1 33. We write here 3 and we carry 3 on 3. 4 threes are 12. 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now the last step, and in this step what we do, we add the numbers 7, 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 8 20. We write here 0 and we carry 2 on it, 2 on 3. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. 8 we carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 and 1 5, 5 and 1 6 and 1 is left there. Our answer is 1658057. Let's come to the next part of the same question. This is part B. 7346 multiplied by 398. You see that all the numbers are of 3-digit multiplication. We write there see 7346 and we start multiplication from 8 because 8 is on the ones place. 8 6 are 48. We write 8 and carry 4 over there. 8 fours are 32. 32 and 4 36. We put 6 here and we 3 carry on 3. 8 threes are 24. 24 and 3 27. We write 7 there and we carry 2. 8 sevens are 56. 56 and 2 58. First step is completed. Now come to the second number. 9 6 are 54. We write here 4 and we carry 5 on 4. 9 5s are 36. 36 and 5 41. We write here 1 and we carry 4 on 3. 9 3s are 27. 27 and 4 31. We write 1 and we carry 3 on 7. 9 6s are 63. 63 plus 3 is 66. Now come to the last number 3. 3 6 are, yes, again I am telling you tens place multiplication. 9 6 are 54. We put there 4 and we carry 5 on 4. 9 fours are 36. 36 and 5 is 41. We write here a 1 and we carry 4 on 3. Again 9 threes are 27. 27 and 4 31. We write 1 and we carry 3 on 7. 9 sevens are 63. 63 and 3 66. We have completed our multiplication on tens place. Now come to the hundredth place. Now is the turn of 3. 3 6 are 18. We write here 8 and we carry 1 on 4. 3 fours are 12 and 1 13. We write here 3 and we carry 1 on 3. 3 threes are 9 and 1 10. We write there 0 and we carry 1 on 7. 3 sevens are 21 and 1 22. Now we have completed our multiplication. We add the numbers. Now we add the numbers. 8 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. We write here 0 and we carry 1 on 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 8 16 and 1 17. We write here 7 and we carry 1 on 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 1, 13. We write here 3 and again we carry 1 on 5. 5 plus 6, 11 and 1, 12. We write here 2 and we carry 1 on 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8 and 1, 9. And 2 is left there. Our answer is 2923708. I think that after doing 4-5 question, you know the method, the procedure, the multiplication of 3-digit number. We always start, either we have 2-digit number or 3-digit number. We always start from the ones place, from right to left. First, we complete the multiplication with ones, the number which lies on the ones place. Then we come to the tens place and we start multiplication and complete with the tens place number. And always remember that we put the cross sign or 0 under the ones place digit. Then come to the 100 place number, and when you start the multiplication, you put 2 cross or 2 0 under the ones digit and under the tens digit. And then we complete the multiplication of the 100 place, and at the end, you know that always in the multiplication, we add the numbers. We add all the digits and we get the required answer. Yes, now we have question number 3, and these all parts are of statement question. You write the statement with every question, and then after writing the statement, then you multiply the number. You cannot do directly the multiplication. If a toy factory produces 2850 toy cars every day, how many cars will be produced in a year of 296 working days? It means that in the one day, how many cars they prepare? They produce 2850, and we calculate the number of cars which produced in 296 days. So it means that our answer will be the bigger number. So that's why we multiply here. If our required number is small, then we divide the number. Here we multiply 2850 with 296. Again we have 3-digit number, and you are familiar how we start the multiplication. Yes, we start from the ones place, and ones place there is 6, then on the tens place there is 9, and then on the 100 place there is 2. So we multiply 2850 with 296. Start the multiplication. 6 multiplied by 0 is 0. 6 5s are 30. We write here 0 and we carry 3 on 8. 6 8s are 48. 48 and 3, 49, 50, 51. We write here 1 and we carry 5 on 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 5. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we write here 17 because there is no next number. Now come to the tens place and we write the cross under the ones place. 9 zeros are 0, 9 fives are 45. We write here 5 and carry 4 on 8. 9 eights are 72, 72 and 4, 73, 74, 75, 76. We write here 6 and we carry 7 on 2. 9 twos are 18, 18 and 7, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now is the turn of the 100 place number, which is 2. So I write 2 cross there on the ones place and on the tens place. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, we carry 1 on 8, 2 eights are 16 and 1 17, we carry 1 on 2, 2 twos are 4 and 1 5. Now multiplication is completed. What is left there? Now we add the number for the required answer. 0, 0. On the tens place, 5 plus 1, 6. Then next, 7 plus 6 is 13. We write here 3 and we carry 1 on the next number. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. We write here 4 and we carry 1 on 2. 5 plus 2, 7 and 1, 8. Our required answer is 843600. Understand? Production of toy cars in every day or in one day is 2850. We calculate the number of cars in 296 days. It means that we multiply the number of cars with 296 days. And you see that we got the bigger number. Yes, come to the next part, part B. Naseem, if Naseem Hamid runs 6,500 meters every day as part of our training program, how many meters will she run in the course of 1 year and how many kilometers is that altogether? In this question, we have two parts. First, we find in meter and then we find our answer in kilometers. How many days are in 1 year? Good, 365 days. Naseem Hamid runs every day 6,500 meters and the covered distance in 1 year. So we multiply 6,500 with 365. Again, we start the multiplication from the ones place. 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. Then again 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 5s are 25. We write 5 here and we carry 2 on 6. 5 6 are 30 and plus 2 is 32. Now is the turn of the tens place. So under the ones place you put the cross sign there. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 5s are 30. So again 0 we put here 0 and we carry 3 on 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. Now is the turn of the last digit which lies on the 100 place. Now we put two cross sign on the ones place and on the tens place. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15. So we write here 5 and we carry 1 on 6. 3 6 are 18 and 1 19. We have completed our multiplication. Now the last step in this, we add the numbers 0, 0, 5, 2. Then the next is 3, 9 and 5. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. We write here 7 and we carry 1 on 3. 9 and 3, 12 and 1, 13. We write here 3 and we carry 1 on it. 1 plus 1, 2. Is it clear? This is the answer of meter. Now we convert in the kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. It means that 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. We multiply our answer with 0.001 because we are converting the meter into the kilometer. When we multiply it, 2372 500 with 0.001, we got our answer 2372.5 kilometer. This is our required answer. And we convert meter into kilometer. Is it clear to you? Yes, the last part is a school uniform at Amin High School cost rupees 1325. If there are 567 children at the school, what will the total bill for all the children's uniform be? The cost of one uniform is 1325 and we find the cost of 567 uniform. So we multiply 1325 with 567. 1325567. On the ones place there is 7. Tens place there is 6 and the hundred place there is 5. 7 fives are 35. We write here 5 and we carry 3 on 2. 7 twos are 14. 14, 15, 16, 17. We write here 7 and we carry 1 on 3. 7 threes are 21 and 1. 22. We write here 2 and we carry 2 on 1. 7 ones are 7 and 2, 9. Now is our turn of 6. 6 fives are 30. We put here 0 and we carry 3 on 2. 6 twos are 12. 12 and 3, 15. We write here 5 and we carry 1 on 3. 6 threes are 18 and 1, 19. We write here 9 and we carry 1 on 1. 6 ones are 6 and 1, 7. We have completed two multiplication ones and tens place. Now the turn of the 100 one. Again, when we starting the multiplication with the 100 place, we put 2 cross under ones and under tens. Now is the turn of 5. 5 fives are 25. We write 5 and we carry 2 on 2. 5 twos are 10 and 2, 12. We write here 2 and we carry 1 on 3. 5 threes are 15 and 1, 16. We write here 6 and we carry 1 on 1. 5 ones are 5 and 1, 6. Now we add the numbers. First we multiply with 7, then we multiply with 6, and at the end we multiply each digit with 5. Now the turn of our answer 5, 7. On the tens place you see there are 3 digits 5, 5 and 2. 5 plus 5, 10 and 2, 12. We write here 2 and we carry 1 over there. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 and 2, 20 and 1, 21. We write 1 and we carry 2 on 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 and 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We write here 5 and we carry 1 on 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So our required answer is 751, 275. I think students that all the multiplication is clear to you. Now I'm playing a video for you for recall your knowledge. Can't be played. Sorry students, video cannot play this time. Okay, come to the homework. Page number 26, question number 1. I done part A and C for you. A, C and D. Remaining parts B and E. 2 parts are left to you in question 1 and 3 parts are left to you in question 2, C, D and E. So you will do your homework very neat and the same procedure that I told you. I am again repeating the method that we will start our multiplication again always from the ones place, then tens and then 100, because this is the bigger number multiplication, and at the end you will add your numbers. Again sorry, there is a problem in video and I cannot play the video for you. Okay student, Allah Hafiz. Inshallah on the next meeting we will meet again.